Welcome all of you. Good afternoon, student.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I am fine. You are
Fine.
fine. Okay, sit down.
Thank
Now,
you,
student.
sir.
Today's date. Today's date is 26 November 2012. We are visited to Pawankhand. This is this is a jeep. You know that jeep is going to Bhatali, and this all nature is a Pawankhand. We are one competition here. There are two groups. One group is here A group, and another group name is B group. Very simple competition. We want to take only don't talk. Listen here. Uh, Tell the one word one group. After that tell another word another group. Suppose you are telling suppose cat, cat, cat. At a time you are telling suppose this group is cat. What is the word? Cat, cat, cat. After tell the another group end word, end letter means T, top, top, top. You understand? This is our competition rule. You understand? Now tell the any word. Tell a word. A.
APPLE apple. Apple म्हणजे सफरचंद.
Correct. It is correct answer. Tell L E. Yes, E. Tell the word E. Tell.
ELEPHANT. Elephant. Elephant म्हणजे हत्ती.
Yes, correct. Elephant means hatti. Yes, correct. T. Who will tell me? T. Your group T.
TIGER. Tiger. Tiger म्हणजे वाघ.
Yes, correct. R.
RED. Red. Red म्हणजे लाल.
R E
D.
Red means lal. Okay. D. Who will tell me D word? Tell. DOG. लाडली. Tell लाडली. वो क्या नहीं बोलायचं आहे? Tell लाडली.
DOG. Dog म्हणजे कुत्रा.
Yes, correct. G. Who will tell this group G? Very simple word. Tell.
GEP. Jeep. Jeep. GOAT. Goat. Goat म्हणजे
Yes, GOAT. Goat. Okay, correct. T. Who will tell the word T? Tell.
TOP. Top. Top म्हणजे भवरा.
No, that word is I have told. Yes, sit down. Tell another word. Tell another word. You have no? You don't know or you don't know? You don't know. Do you know this word? T. After that one marks you are lost. Okay. Tell T words. Tell very simple. Very simple. Tell. Okay. So tell. Sit down you because first remembering he himself. Tell.
TN.
T.
TN.
10 means.
10.
Yes, correct. Clap up. You are one loss. You are one mark loss. Okay. Now this group is win. Okay. Thank you all of. Thank you everybody. Okay. This competition is over. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Thank you.